YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn on live call translate with AI on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on live AI call translate for the S26 series of phones, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing that you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for Galaxy AI. And then from there, what you want to do is hit Galaxy AI. From there, what you want to do is hit Call Assist. And then from there, you can turn on Live Translate. And then you'll be able to turn on AI Call Live Translate. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to turn on live AI call translate for the Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.